In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the progress bar feature on Monday.com effectively, and it just takes about 5 minutes of your time. Now, if you're looking to track your team's progress more visually on Monday.com, this feature is an excellent way to start. Let's dive right in and go through the process step by step together. First things first, you'll want to open the board where you intend to track progress. This could be any project or task-related board you're working with. Just navigate to your dashboard and select the board that suits your needs. This will be our canvas for setting up progress bars today. It's important to ensure you're on the correct board because this is where you'll visualize your team's progress. Once you're on the board, take a look to the far right of your screen. There, you'll notice a button labeled Plus Add Column. Go ahead and click on this button. Adding a column is a simple yet essential step because it allows us to insert new features to track all sorts of data, including progress. After clicking Plus Add Column, you'll need to search for the word Progress. In the search bar, type Progress and select it when it appears. This selection tells Monday.com that you want to add a progress bar column, which is specifically designed for monitoring progress in a clear, visual manner. After adding the progress column, it's time to choose a method to track progress. This stage allows you to define how the progress will be calculated. You can choose specifics that best fit your project, whether it's percentage-based, based on completed tasks, or whatever method goes with your workflow. Choosing the right tracking method helps ensure that you're getting accurate and meaningful insights into how your work or project is progressing. Next, we move on to customizing the progress bar. This bodes well for projects with unique needs, as you can adjust the colors, labels, and settings to ensure the progress bar aligns perfectly with your team's needs and preferred aesthetics. Customizing your progress bar not only makes it more visually appealing, but also makes it easier for everyone involved to interpret the information quickly. Finally, don't forget to use views and dashboards to your advantage. These are powerful tools on Monday.com that help you see the bigger picture. By incorporating dashboards, you can get a comprehensive overview of multiple projects, including the progress tracked through your new progress bars. This makes it easy to manage multiple tasks and keep everyone informed about the team's progress. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully added a progress bar to your board on Monday.com. It's a fantastic tool for keeping track of progress in a visual and efficient manner. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips on maximizing your productivity using Monday.com.